Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 10 most powerful positive affirmations you need in your life right now. These affirmations are seeds of possibility that can help you build self-esteem, achieve your dreams, and cultivate a positive mindset. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's get started. This first affirmation is foundational. It sets the tone for how we perceive ourselves and how we allow others to treat us. When we truly believe that we are worthy of love and respect, we start to see changes in our interactions and relationships. This belief becomes a guiding principle in our lives. I am worthy of love and respect. This simple yet powerful statement can transform your mindset. It can help you build stronger connections with others and foster a deeper sense of self-worth. Say it again, I am worthy of love and respect. Let these words resonate within you. Feel their truth. Each time you repeat this affirmation, you reinforce your belief in your own value. You deserve to be treated with kindness, compassion, and dignity by others, but most importantly, by yourself. Self-love is not selfish, it's essential. When you treat yourself with respect, you set the standard for how others should treat you. So often we withhold love and respect from ourselves, don't we? We judge ourselves harshly. We focus on our flaws and mistakes, forgetting that we are human and deserving of compassion. But you are a masterpiece in progress. Every experience, every challenge, and every triumph adds to your unique beauty. Embrace your journey and recognize your worth. You are worthy of love exactly as you are right here, right now. There is nothing you need to change or achieve to be deserving of love and respect. When you value yourself and set healthy boundaries, you're sending a clear message. I am worthy of respect. Boundaries are a form of self-care and a way to protect your well-being. This affirmation is about self-love, the kind of love that radiates outwards, touching every aspect of your life. It influences how you interact with the world and how the world interacts with you. It's about recognizing that you are enough just as you are. You don't need to prove your worth to anyone. Your value is inherent and undeniable. So let's say it together one more time with conviction. I am worthy of love and respect. Feel the power of these words and let them guide you. Believe it, embrace it, and watch your life transform. When you truly accept your worth, you open the door to endless possibilities and a life filled with love and respect. This next affirmation is about stepping into your power. I am capable of achieving my goals. Say it with me. I am capable of achieving my goals. Believe it deep down in your soul. For too long you may have doubted yourself, but you are capable of anything you set your mind to. You have the strength, resilience, and creativity to overcome any obstacle. Remember that time you thought you couldn't go on, but you did? That's the fire within you. So, set those goals high and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Believe in yourself and watch as you create the life of your dreams. Life is a journey, and it's not always easy. I am strong and resilient. Say it like you mean it, I am strong and resilient. Think about a time when you faced adversity and overcame it. That is resilience. It's the strength that comes from within, the ability to bounce back. You have that strength within you. So the next time you're facing a challenge, remember this affirmation. You are not defined by your struggles, but by how you overcome them. You are strong, you are resilient, and you will get through this. Trust the process and know that you have the power to create a brighter tomorrow. Gratitude is a powerful emotion. It has the ability to transform our perspective and shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. When we practice gratitude, we open our hearts to the abundance that already exists in our lives. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. This abundance is not just about material wealth, but also about the richness of experiences, relationships, and moments that bring joy and fulfillment. Say it with feeling. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. Feel the warmth of gratitude spreading through your body, filling you with a sense of peace and contentment. Even in the midst of challenges, there's always something to be grateful for. It could be a lesson learned, a moment of kindness, or simply the strength to keep going. Take a moment to appreciate the simple things, the roof over your head, the comfort of your home, and the sense of security it provides. The food on your table, lovingly prepared and shared with those you care about. The love in your life, the connections that nourish your soul and bring meaning to your days. Gratitude isn't about ignoring the negative, it's about choosing to focus on the positive. It's about recognizing the good amidst the challenges and appreciating the beauty in the everyday moments. It's about training your mind to see the good. With practice, gratitude becomes a habit, a way of life that brings more joy and fulfillment. And you know what happens when you start focusing on the good? You start attracting more of it into your life. The more you appreciate, the more you have to appreciate. The more grateful you are, the more abundance you attract. It's a beautiful cycle that begins with a simple shift in perspective. So start each day with gratitude. Take a few moments each morning to reflect on the blessings in your life. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be anything from a good night's sleep to a kind gesture from a friend. Express your appreciation to others. Let them know how much they mean to you and how they have positively impacted your life. Let gratitude fill your heart and watch as your life transforms. The more you focus on the good, the more good you will see. You are blessed, you are abundant, and you deserve all the good that's coming your way. Embrace gratitude and let it guide you to a life of abundance and joy. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself. I forgive myself and others. Say it with intention. I forgive myself and others. Holding on to anger and resentment is like carrying a heavy weight. It weighs you down and prevents you from experiencing true peace. Forgiving yourself and others doesn't mean condoning their actions. It means choosing to release the negative emotions that are holding you back. It's about acknowledging the past, learning from it, and then letting it go. Forgiveness is a process, and it takes time. When you forgive, you release the power that the past has over you. You free yourself to create a brighter, more joyful future. Forgive yourself, forgive others, and embrace the freedom that comes with letting go. The universe is a vast and abundant place, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities waiting to be discovered. I am open to receiving all the good life offers. I welcome the abundance that the universe has in store for me, knowing that I am deserving of all the good things that come my way. Say it with an open heart. I am open to receiving all the good life offers. Feel the warmth and joy that comes with this affirmation, and let it fill your entire being. We often block our own blessings with limiting beliefs and doubt. These negative thoughts create barriers that prevent us from experiencing the fullness of life. But you are worthy and deserving of all the love, abundance, and joy that life has to offer. Embrace this truth and let it guide your actions and thoughts. This affirmation is about shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. By focusing on what you have and what you can receive, you open the door to endless possibilities. Open your heart, mind, and arms to receive all the good that's coming your way. Visualize the positive changes and opportunities flowing into your life. Trust that the universe has your back, and that you are always in the right place at the right time. Every moment is a chance to receive and give back. Believe in the power of possibility, and watch as the universe brings your dreams to life. Stay open, stay positive, and let the magic unfold. Deep down, you have an inner wisdom. I trust my intuition. Say it with conviction. I trust my intuition. We live in a world that often tells us to ignore our gut. But your intuition is your superpower. It's the voice of your soul, guiding you towards your highest good. Trust your gut, my friend. It knows the way. Reconnect with that inner wisdom and trust yourself again. Your body is a temple. I am healthy, whole, and vibrant. Say it with energy. I am healthy, whole, and vibrant. When you speak words of affirmation over your body, you're sending a powerful message to your entire being. It's not just about physical health, it's about mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Nourish your body with healthy foods, positive thoughts, and loving relationships. Move your body, connect with nature, and take time for rest. You are worthy of good health and vitality. Believe it, embrace it, and watch as your body responds with strength and resilience. You are not your thoughts, you are the observer of your thoughts. I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. Say it with authority. I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. Our thoughts can be like unruly children, but you are the loving guide. You have the power to choose which thoughts you entertain. This affirmation is about taking back your power. You are not a victim of your circumstances or emotions. Practice mindfulness and choose to focus on thoughts that uplift you. You have the power to create a peaceful and fulfilling inner world. Believe it, embrace it, and watch as your outer world reflects the beauty within. Life is a journey of growth and evolution. I am constantly growing and evolving into my best self. Say it with excitement, I am constantly growing and evolving into my best self. You are a work in progress, a masterpiece in the making. Every experience is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the journey and celebrate every step you take towards your highest potential. Be kind to yourself and trust that you are always guided towards your highest good. You are constantly becoming the amazing being you were meant to be. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Remember, positive affirmations are powerful tools to transform your life. Use them consistently and combine them with positive actions and self-care. Take care of your body, nourish your mind, and nurture your spirit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, remember, you are worthy, you are capable, and you are loved.
Enjoyed this video? Buy me a coffee. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Now available on Amazon.com. Unlock the transformative power of positive affirmations with this essential guide by certified personal development coach and motivational speaker, Dennis of DennisMotivates.com. In Affirm Your Greatness, you'll discover the science behind affirmations and learn how to craft personalized affirmations that resonate with your unique journey. Get your copy today. Find the link in the description. Thanks.